If you want to add in customer reviews and feedbacks, then you can use something called the testimonial section. So for that, I'm just going to click on the add a new section button right over here. And then from the left side, I'm just going to grab in the testimonials right over here, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on testimonial right over here. And here you can see that there's different layouts that you can choose from right over here. So I'm just going to choose this one, for example, which is on here by default, as you can see. So once I click that, you got the testimonial section right over here. So there's testimonial and what they're saying. So I'm just going to change this out. You can see on the left side that in the testimonial section, you can work with the header subtitle right over here. So I'm just going to change the header subtitle as feedbacks or experiences, testimonials, experiences right over here. Or you can turn this off altogether. You can also enable a header paragraph right over here. You can add in a media. So if you want to add in something like a picture over there, you can do that as well. And you can add in a header button over here as well. So here you can add in, this is just like the list. So you can go over here and work around with this. You can also create a separate page for each of the people right over here. So you can just change this out, something like Robert. But right over here, so you can change out and you can see that the name changes right over here, and you can change out the testimonial from right over here in this section. So let's just click back over here, and other thing that you can work with is footer paragraph over here. So you can add in a footer paragraph over here, and you can also add in a footer button over here. And these are the things that you can work with in the testimonial section. If you were to go into the section design, there are different options over here. So there's like a scrolling testimonial, as you can see. So where there's like a scrolling design. So there's one by one scrolling, as you can see right over here. Let me just close that out. Let me go to design right over here, section design. So there's layouts where all of the three people are seen at once. You can also like have scrolling like this one where the picture is within a circle right over here and so forth. So there's just different testimonial, as you can see right over here. Some are interactive and some are really static right over here. So that is how you can work around with the testimonial section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.